That's the side of the MG after it's been polished. You seen how bad it was at the start of the video. So you can fix clear coat with a bit of 400 grit, but like I say, parts will need clear coating again. I'm just going to do the lights now. Excuse the rubbish. Back at the shit hole in the back. These were an MOT file. They're very, very misty, as you can see. So we've got the old G3 on a drill, and all we're going to do, it's raining, which helps with this because it's good to keep it wet. So all we're going to do is splat it over and then just go at it with the drill, and we'll just keep going over that entire light until it's nice and clear, and that will sort it out. It'll only take 5-10 minutes on the light there, and we'll go over that, and then after we've been over it, we'll polish it with some super resin wax to stop the sun attacking them again. So I'll come back and show you them after I've got them lights for all of 2 minutes with this G3, and give them a clean off. Should have done it with a clean cloth and not one that's got wax all over it, but you can see there, once that's polished as well, you can see the difference. So I've just gone over them with the polish there. Here's the G3, and look at that. Now this one's getting wet, so it's looking better than it was, but if you look from the top, you can see how misty it is compared to that one. So I'd use that G3 Pro scratch remover and the G3 super wax, and I'll get your lights looking nice and bright.